In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Xero with a complete walkthrough. Now, if you're looking to streamline your accounting processes and take advantage of seamless invoicing through PayPal, you're in the right place. Let's jump right into the process. The first step is to open Xero and head over to your payment services. You'll want to be in the demo company section or your equivalent business setup within Xero. This section is crucial as it hosts the framework you'll use to integrate your payment gateway. Now that you're there, search for a section labeled as the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll notice an option highlighted that draws your attention, a clear indication from Xero directing you to your next step, which is to open the Xero App Store. The App Store is filled with various applications designed to optimize and expand Xero's capabilities. Once inside the App Store, look for a friendly nudge or label prompting you to work smarter and do more with apps. Select this option. It's like your guide through new enhancements and extensions that Xero offers, including those for payment integrations. Next, use the search bar found within the App Store, which is highlighted for your convenience. You'll want to type in PayPal payments here. This search will allow you to zero in on the specific app we need for our walkthrough, the PayPal Payments app. After you've located the app, click on it to open more details. It's straightforward, just one click, and you'll see an option to get this app. Go ahead and click it. This step is where you grant permission for Xero to sync with PayPal, effectively laying the pathway for their cooperation. After acquiring the app, return to the Payment Services section in Xero. You're going to click on a highlighted segment again. This allows you to continue setting things up. It's a direct pathway that Xero has conveniently highlighted, which helps to ensure a smooth setup process. For the final step, look for an option labeled as Complete Stripe Setup. Now, it may seem like a contradiction since we're talking about PayPal, but what this does is finalize the connection process between Xero's internal systems and external payment platforms. It's often a simple security step that ensures everything is in alignment and ready for you to use. That wraps up this tutorial on connecting PayPal to Xero. By following these steps, you've now integrated one of the most convenient payment systems into your accounting software, making invoicing and payment receipt a breeze. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy accounting. Peace.